Today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to use aggregate function in Excel. In aggregate function you have total 19 functions and 7 options. If you want to learn about the new functions or top 10 Excel functions, then check in the link in the description below. So today we will discuss about the simple example first, then with your multiple criteria. Then we'll discuss about the nested subtotal. If you want to learn about the normal subtotal function, then check the link in the description below. So let's start with the aggregate function. Equal to aggregate. Once you type few words, if you're getting aggregate, just press the tab so that you will get the aggregate function. So now you can select from 19 functions and you can use any functions. For example, for simple example, I will use the sum 9, number 9 for sum. Either you can double click here or manually you can type. So once you type and press comma, you will have your 7 options. In 7 options, we'll discuss one by one. Let's discuss about the fourth one first. 4 means ignore nothing. It means either you can double click here or manually type, then select your range and close the bracket. So now you can see here your aggregate total is calculated. Your total is 550, where it is calculated. Sum function is used and it is calculated. Now let's say this row number 400, it means 100 is hidden, right? So let's hide this. Now still you will get 550 here, but I don't want this. I want let's copy the same formula. So here I don't want to include the hidden. In this case, you want to ignore means in number 5. In this case, instead of 4, I can use the number 5. So now you can see here the row number 4, which is hidden, which is amount is 100, is excluded from the total. Now let's say, for example, another one option here is, suppose for example you have error, right? In this case, in the both sections you will get an error message, right? In this case, you have two options, which is called ignore error values, ignore hidden rows and error values, 6 and 7. So what is the difference between 6 and 7? In 6, what will happen? It will include the error, hidden rows, and it will calculate, right? So this total is 300, but still 100 is hidden and it will get total here. But here if you use number 7, so what will happen? It will exclude the hidden rows and it will calculate. So here 140 and 160, 300 is calculated. So now let's try with the subtotal nested functions. Let's unhide this, right? For subtotal we have separate tutorial. You can check the link in the description below. Let's subtotal this. Select the data, go to your data tab, outline, subtotal, fruits and amounts, click OK. Now you can see here your subtotal is here. So now change the range. So now you can see here your data is calculated full, everything, right? Which I don't want. I want only the amount total. I don't want to include the subtotal. In this case, you need to use 0. It means ignore the subtotal functions. So let's say 0. So now you can see here only 550. What is the normal total? Is the 550. It means the grand total is coming here. Now for example, in some cases you have hidden rows. For example, this 100 is hidden. Let's hide this, but still you will get 550 here. Similarly, we discuss about ignore hidden rows, ignore error values, ignore error and row values. You can use the first, second and third. I will give you one example. Row number, one row I have hidden, which is 100. Now let's try this. Instead of 0, let's use 1, right? So now you will get only 450. For example, you have error here. So you will get an error message. If you want to ignore error values, then use the option as 2. And you want to use you want to ignore error as well as hidden rows, then you have to use number 3, so that I will get total of only 300, right? So now in that case you can use number 3. So in this tutorial I have covered all the options and I have discussed about the functions in detail. If you have any questions and comments, let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.